God. God.
Would you stop playing with them damn things?
Okay, well then tell me what that says, if that's English.
That's not English.
Honey, none of this
What's
is
the
English.
second line say? All right, honey, do you want what's in the box or do you want what's behind curtain number 1?
I want what's in the box.
And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun.
This is my newest gadget. All right, welcome back to the channel. This video is about demonstrations and some new products that some of my subscribers have told me about. We got these things. I bet you don't know what these are for, but we're gonna show you. And we got this cool little hat that Laura wears.
Yeah.
She wears it like this.
No.
But I'm gonna show you what this is because I think 1 or 2 of my subscribers have told me about this thing. So let's just stop the rambling. Make sure you
Like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
and follow us on.
Instagram at HowToDoneRight.
Yes, she got it right that time. All right, it's time to get the box open. All right, what we got, honey? We unboxed this thing.
Yeah.
It's actually bigger than I thought.
There aren't any instructions, but I think I can wing it based on the picture. And I'm sure you can go online to get instructions. But I'm going to put it together just based on looking at the picture. It doesn't look very difficult. There's two sizes of springs. I'm thinking that it depends on how much pressure you want. This seems pretty loose. If I put that one in, I imagine it would be a lot harder to press, but I think this is going to be fine. This, and then this, and then we put a bottle on top of here, and it makes it a lot easier for me to sanitize.
Do that again.
It's going to be fun.
All right, it is called the VINATOR sulfider. What else did I say? I don't know where it comes from, but we're here just to test it out to make sure it works because this is supposed to make our job easier. You ready to get started?
My job.
Yeah, it is her job.
Sanitizing bottles, my job.
Let's demo this thing because this has a special purpose on one of my favorite items that I've ever bought on Amazon store. Make sure you're looking for any of this stuff that you want in our Amazon store because we got it in there. Now, one thing that's cool about this goes hand in hand with this bottle drying rack that I got on my Amazon store. It holds like 36 bottles. I love this thing. But this bottle washer actually sits right on top of here and it's all in one spot. Now all you do is you top it, you fill this bowl up here. You don't need much, I don't think, but we're gonna try it. And you just fill this bowl up with sanitizer. That's what's in that bottle there, that spray bottle I have left. There we go, let's get some bottles. This thing is taller than her.
I'm a little nervous.
All right, we've never tried this or used this, so here we go. Our first bottle. Oh, look at that.
I love it.
That is awesome. And then you just put it right on the
Oh my
drying
gosh,
rack.
so much easier. Maybe you don't have to push it so hard. Maybe I need more practice. But I love it.
And it's all self-contained, and you see, it just squirts up. It's almost like maybe you just need one squirt.
Yeah.
It really gets the whole bottle.
I like it.
Let's finish all these bottles up until she's drenched.
Well, you have to practice, I think.
So
It's new.
So when the water's coming down, it's hitting that red thing, and that's what's
There's little... I need to... Yeah, I know what I need. I know what I'm doing wrong.
She don't know what she's doing.
No, I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm picking the bottle up.
She's got 4 more bottles here.
You can't pick it up. You just got to let it down and let it drain. See?
Oh, yeah. There you go.
I was picking it up, and so the pressure...
How many pumps do you need?
I just did one. It gets... Well, I guess until you get all the way to the top of your bottle. You just got to make sure you hit the top, and it just covers the entire inside of that bottle.
You know what?
So nice.
I'm going downstairs to get my 200 bottles and have her do this all night long. She's still doing it wrong.
No. But you know what? I get wet when I do it the old-fashioned way, and it takes me forever.
So what do you think? Is this a winner?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Plus, it's fun.
What a time saver. Me putting now one thing I will tell you is if you have dirty bottles, you're going to want to use a brush in these before you sanitize them. So you got to think about that too. But it is, I tell you, you got clean bottles. This thing is just going to do the finishing touch by sanitizing them, isn't it?
Yes. And it doesn't miss any spots. It literally went the whole way down the bottle on the inside.
I remember I said it was self-contained. All these bottles are dripping down into this tray that this drying rack catches. So again, it's all in one unit. All right, now if you don't have this drying rack, there is a way you can use this without it. And Laura's gonna demo that too. Okay, Laura, you got all set up?
I do. So we wanted to show you how you can use this if you don't have the drying rack. So it comes right off the top. Now I put this little, rubber thing that you use to get a jar, just to give me a little bit of stability to keep it from slipping around. So let's try it here to see what happens. Oh, I did that again. I wouldn't say that it's cheaply made. I know that some people have said that, but it's made out of the same materials that our drying rack is made out of, and we've been using that for years. So
I'll tell you, I'll give it 5 stars on Amazon.
Oh yeah.
Just because of
what was the
time
price range?
saver.
What was the price range? Do you remember?
I think it was only like 15 bucks.
Worth it.
I'll put a picture of it in here and you can see it. But again, this will be in my Amazon store. It's a 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's on the Amazon store. Now let's just get on to the next thing. All right, what do you got there, honey?
I'm not sure, but I sorted them all by color.
These are silicone zip ties. I get so many comments about the zip ties I put on my bag. I thought I'd do a little research, and I'll tell you one thing, these things are gonna work great.
Oh yeah.
Now, Laura's gonna demo you what we're gonna use. Stop recording, hold on.
You call me
Stop
a dummy.
recording. Now, one thing about these ties being they're silicone is they are food grade, so it will not affect your wine whatsoever. But Laura's gonna show you how we use them. Go ahead, honey.
So once Todd has all his fruit in his bucket, all his chemicals and everything, you do want to tie your bag shut. I have learned from Todd that this keeps all the sediment, at least a lot of it, out of your wine. He does like to take a precaution. Yes, it has a drawstring, but as a second precaution, he always puts a zip tie on there, just in case, something would happen to the string. And this is nice because, again, food grade, he says, and we can reuse these. We don't have to cut them off and throw them away. So it's going to work just perfectly. So if your string breaks, or just as a second precaution, you can put one of these reusable zip ties on.
I love it. And I'm going to use that for other different things too.
Oh my gosh,
whenever we want these things.
Yeah. They'll be good to use for lots of things.
And again, these were cheap. I want to say they were $6 or $7 for all these. So you got enough for a lifetime. Another product demo.
Yeah, I like it.
2 thumbs up?
Double thumbs up, yeah.
5 star?
Yep. I like that you can wash them. You can sanitize them. You can reuse them. So yes, love it.
What are those, honey?
Reusable silicone zip ties.
Better known as...
Zip ties.
Anal beads. All right, that's a wrap on the Vintner bottle sanitizer and whatever these things are called that my wife won't stop playing with. Until next time, subscribe below. That's it. That's a wrap.
I want what's in the box.
Would you stop playing with them damn things?
They feel weird.
They look weird.
And we know the change